to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry. I always say I will post more and I will post more often, but I don't. And as always, I'm really sorry. But this video is the most requested video on my channel so far, on Instagram and on YouTube. So please watch it till the end because I'm sure it will clear most of your doubts. And if you still have any, of course, you can always put them in the comments and I will reply there. Let's get started. I'm talking about the Etihad video interview round explained through and through, everything you need to know. Before I start, I want to clarify that I did not give this round. I did not have it. We were just called directly for the physical interview rounds. So whatever information that I'm giving you today, I've collected it from the other people who had given this round. So I'm sure everything, I verified all the information, but in case there is something that you're not sure about, just let me know. Okay, so first thing first, the video interview doesn't really mean that your interview process has started, because for the company, it's merely a round to sort the crowd between people who they think have potential and the people who they think are not ready yet. So that's simple as that. So you don't have to panic or anything, just take it very lightly. You will get the invitation by your email and all the instructions are very clear. Whatever you need to do, whatever you need to do, you need to know. And some people have gotten 2 questions and some people have gotten 3, but that's also okay. And even before you start the question, you will have the instructions of that particular question, like what you need to answer, how you need to stand, what part of your body you need to show. Should your shoulders be in it? It's just about your face. Should you stand for the video and answer the question? So that's that. You can record as many times as you want until you're sure about your answer and then submit it. But there's the catch. You cannot record any answer for more than 60 seconds. So whatever you have to say it within 60 seconds, which if you ask me is more than enough. So maybe think about what you actually have to say 2-3 times in your mind and then answer the question. So the question number 1, as always, is your introduction. So keep it short, keep it simple. Don't say things that you don't want to know. Don't talk about, things that don't really define you as a person. I've already explained introduction and how to answer and what to answer in my previous videos. So maybe you should go there and check. And you need to answer it between 60 seconds. And then that's it. You submit 1 question and then for the next question, they will show you what you need to know. The second question could be, please tell why you want to work with Etihad Airways, why you chose to work with this airline, and what about the airline interests you the most, which is a fair enough question. You don't have to, you can just research about the company and the values, and it's always better to not answer things like I want to travel and all of that, because any company can give you that. Try to keep it more personal towards the company. I think it's always better in this question to focus on the company's values and ethics and what they have to offer, rather than to focus on the things that you're actually looking for. But whatever works for you. Again, you have to answer within 60 seconds. You can take as many takes you want, and it will tell you that you need to stand up for this question, and you can sit, you need to show your face and shoulders, so you can work on that. Okay, so there could be 2 questions or there could be 3 questions, but it's both of the things are very normal. So first could be introduction and second could be why you want to work for the company or for Etihad Airways. And the third question would be why the company should hire you. What skills do you have? What do you have to offer? What do you think are your skills, strengths, weaknesses? What do you have to offer? So things like that. For every question, it will give you instruction on how to answer, how to stand, blah, 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 blah. So it's very easy. No need to panic. No need to go all technical. Just answer from your heart. Just say what you feel and make sure you're correct with your postures, how you say it, your facial expressions, and all of that. Okay, now things or the tips that I would like to give you to make sure that to just improve your whole performance in the interview is 3 things. First, please be very, very well groomed, because in the video interview, your grooming matters the most to me, because that's all they can see. They can see how you have groomed yourself. And by that, I don't mean just how you look or makeup or hair, but how you present yourself, how you're talking, your body movement, your hands, all of that. Second thing is, please keep smiling. They love people who smile. Even I'm not a person who smiles a lot, but when I'm at work, I need to smile and I'm always giving the best smile out there. So please smile throughout the video, throughout the interview rounds, and just just look like you're actually like you're interested. You want the job, right? You want this life. You want to be a crew. It should be there on your face. Smile, look happy, look content. Okay, so the third tip I would like to give, and also a very important tip, is be grammatically correct. Don't say things which don't make sense. Don't say things which are not required. Don't use the words which doesn't really express the way you want to feel, because sometimes you're nervous and you end up saying things that are not very professional. So try to be as professional as possible. Use good words. Try to work on your answers, write it down or whatever helps you, and then read it and minimize the errors, and you should be fine. Try to be natural as possible, as natural. If you're faking it, they will know. If you're trying to pretend, they will know. So just try to be happy and your natural self, and you should be fine. I have never given the video interview round, so I cannot tell you from my personal experience. That's just one thing. Everything that I'm telling you is what I've researched and asked around. But don't get nervous. Just try to enjoy the whole process. Once you're done with this, the actual process starts. So just be positive, think of good things and say good things, and that's it. You'll be fine. I already told you, you can take as many takes you want. You need to answer your questions within 60 seconds. There will be 3 questions. You will already have the instructions. And yeah, that's it. And if you have submitted your round, they might send you a reminder. But if you have already finished it, you've already submitted it, then you just need to ignore it and wait for them to, revert you. But that's it. There is no definite amount of time that they will take for, going through the whole thing and get back to you. But once you're done, just be patient and wait for them to revert you. And that's it, guys. That's it. I understand that things can be very, scary sometimes. But just see the amount of people who want to be in aviation and do this job. So they have a lot of applications, and they might want to see whether or not you have the potential before they actually call you and meet you in person. So it's just things like that. Be on your best behavior. Say good things, look nice, and you will be fine. Make sure you're properly groomed. Don't wear clothes which are not very professional. Try to keep it simple. Try to wear black and white. It always, I've always wore black and white and always works for me. So it's just things like that. If you have any more questions, please put it down in the comment section and I will get back to you. Again, I'm very sorry that I'm recording this video so late. But you will know what I mean once you start flying. So that's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you again soon, hopefully in my next video.